How to save edited photos in Meitu. First of all, open the app and edit your photo using tools like Beautify, filters, text, stickers, or background removal. Once you are satisfied with your edits, tap on the Save button usually located at the top right corner of the screen. You can choose the desired resolution or quality for your photo to make sure it looks perfect when shared. After saving, your edited photo will be stored in your device gallery and you can easily share it on social media platforms, send it to friends, or use it for creative project. Saving your edits in high quality ensures that all the details, colors, and effects remain intact. Now you know how to save edited photos in Meitu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.